Guys, it happened. Meet a new season. I mean a completely new season of Trampoline videos. In past videos I dropped different things on the Trampoline, but now... Well, my brother came to me last weekend. We live far away from each other and everything we planned was barbecue and some beer. We talked about my channel and then I asked him, let's make a video with you. So, he said, why not? But no experiments, only fun and entertainment. And that is why we went and bought the biggest trampoline we could find, this one. But to be honest, we spent almost 4 hours setting it up. Now just check it. This is the huge thing that we gonna play with like whole summer. And the fun began. But you know what? We quickly got tired just jumping on the trampoline and decided to fool around a bit. Yes guys, it's 30 kilograms of corn sticks. I don't know if there are such snacks in your country. We call it corn sticks. I think you realize that we do not plan to eat all this. I mean like everything. So just watch us. It's really light and tasty. Just imagine us waiting to open one of these huge bags of corn sticks. But then madness began.
И это только половина, да? Ай, помогите, гады! Как я подглупил!
We were sticky and dirty. Now imagine the same thing with watermelons or eggs. I don't even know where to start. I'm waiting for your ideas, guys. I'm glad to see my bro so happy like this. Just look at him. Guys, this is a new type of video for me. I made nothing like this before and my brother has already left home, so it's up to you whether he will come again for the video to my place. Be sure to tell me how you like this video, whether it's worth continuing. It's important for me, it's important for him. By the way, we picked all the corn sticks and half of it we already ate. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.